Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Consuere Attire. This is Shargosri. Thank you for joining me today. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about the dot manipulation. Like we are going to transfer the waist dot into different location of the front basic bodies. We can relocate our waist dot into various other dots. Like about 9 different dots. So we can see over here our basic bodies, and we can see the different dots. These are all different kind of dots which has been relocated from waist dot to here. So this is center front waist dot, this is center front bust level, this is center front neck, this is mid neck, this is mid shoulder, this is shoulder tip, and this is mid armhole, this is straight side dot, and this is French dot. So there are 9 different kinds of dots. Okay, so now we use a different kind of techniques to manipulate. One is slash spread technique, another is pivotal technique. So I'm going to start today with slash technique. Now we will learn how to draw the different dots in these basic bodies. So for CF waist, we are going to draw a line from CF waist to bust point. For CF bust level and straight line or the side dot, we are going to draw it on bust or level. For center front neck, we are going to draw from center of our front neck towards bust point over here. For the mid neck, we are going to take the measurement of the neckline and we will make it half of it, and we are going to draw the mid neck to bust point. For the shoulder, we are going to take the measurement of the shoulder and we will take the half of it, and we are going to make the mid shoulder dart from here to bust point. For the shoulder tip dart, we are going to take the shoulder tip from up here down towards bust point to form the shoulder tip dart. And for the mid armhole dart, we are going to measure the armhole circumferences, and then I'm going to take the mid of that measurement, and then we are going to draw the mid armhole dart. And for the French dart, I'm going to take like a 2-inch from waist side seam towards up, and we are going to mark here, and from here we are going to draw diagonally towards bust point, and this is our French dart. So this is how we are going to mark all the different kind of dots in our working pattern. Today we will learn how to relocate the waist dot to center front waist dot. So first what I will do, I will take my working front basic bodies, and now I'm going to trace the basic bodies on the brown paper. Now, once I have traced it, I'm going to label the dot leg as A here and B here. And now with the help of a push pin, I'm going to insert here in the bust point to get a mark beneath my working pattern brown paper. Now I will keep my working pattern aside, and as I said, and you have seen that I have make a mark with the help of the pin our bust point over here. So now I'm going to join above bust point with A and B, and those are our dot legs. So here you go. The next is that I'm going to cut the dot legs, and we'll get ready with our next step. And now I'm going to cut the remaining part of my brown paper, basic bodice pattern, which I'm using to manipulate waist dart to center front waist dart. So here we go. Now I'm going to draw the center front waist dart. So let me insert some pin to secure my pattern. And let it be over here. So, okay. So now with the help of my ruler, I'm going to draw the center front waist dart. Now slash the pattern from the center front waist to not through the bust point. Okay, here we go. This is how we will do it. See, this is our center front slash line. So this is how, moving forward towards bust point, we will move to a bust point, but not through it. Okay, now I'm going to close our dart, waist dart, that is, this is A and B point. So I'm taking my B point and moving towards A point, and I'm going to secure this with a tape. And see how our center front waist dart has opened. Now I'm going to transfer this to a brown paper or muslin, as you wish. You can transfer this to muslin or brown paper and redraw it. Okay, now place the pattern on a paper or in a muslin and retrace it. Here we are forming our center front waist dart. Okay, so I'm just going to mark our bust point over here. Okay, So now I'm going to take off the pattern. Now I'm going to add seam allowance to this. I'm going to add 1/2 inch seam allowance on all the sides except the neckline. In the neckline I'm going to add 1/4 inch seam allowance. So I'm taking the 1/2 inch side seam. And with the help of the measuring tape, I'm going to take the armhole side seam now. Almost there. And now shoulder 1/2 inch. Here you go. And over here, the neckline. We will be taking 1/4 only. This is our cut on fold. Now I'm going to take the section of the waist line, which is 1/2 inch. Now I'm going to take that point, which is 1/2 inch from bust point. Here it is. And we will draw the dart legs again. Now we will take 1/2 inch seam allowance over here. Half inch seam allowance this side as well. Now I'm finishing up with my seam allowances taken. So we have done with our center front waist star. This is how it looks like when we have taken the seams and it is ready to place in muslin and make a test fit. This is how it looks, our center front waist dart. We are almost at the end of this session. I'm going to come out with more dart manipulation in the following episodes, and in next episode I'm going to come with center front bust level. Until then, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.